Hello dear friends, students and followers. This video is especially to describe the difference between aerospace engineering, aeronautical engineering and astronomical engineering. So very quickly you will be able to understand how are they differ. So suppose you want to fly. So you can have two types of flight. One type of flight will be in the atmosphere itself, means suppose this is the earth and here you have atmosphere, and if you want to fly into the atmosphere, you will be using very conventional way to fly, that is our aeroplane, or you will be using a helicopter, or maybe in soon future we'll be using drones to take humans. Okay, so either we'll be using aeroplane, helicopter or drones to fly in the atmosphere. Now if suppose we have to cross the atmosphere, then we have to fly into the outer space. Okay, so if we want to fly to the space, we need different kind of vehicle that will neither be aeroplane nor be helicopter nor be drones, because these people are especially manufactured or designed to fly only in the atmosphere, means where air is available. Okay, so when we study about the design, flight criteria, and stability and control and structures and blah blah things related to aeroplane, helicopter and drones, like we can categorize like this. We can go for propulsion, we can go for stability and control, we can go for their aerodynamics, definitely aerodynamics because they have to fly within the atmosphere, so air is there. And we can go for propulsion, structure, aerodynamics, or you can also say the third part is flight mechanics, where we deal with the stability of the aircraft and control of the aircraft. So like these are the basic parts. And definitely in propulsion we deal with the engines, right? So these are the basic subjects we have to do with aeroplane, helicopter and drones. You can also say that these vehicles are made to fly within the atmosphere. So aeronautical, now I am taking aeronautical. So aeronautical is the branch of engineering where we deal with the vehicles which are going to fly within the atmosphere. Okay, you have earth surface, then you have atmosphere till certain height. After that, so within the atmosphere itself, if you want to fly, you have to make a vehicle, and that vehicle construction you will be understanding in aeronautical subjects. Okay, now once you have decided that you have to go out of the atmosphere, then you need special concepts of because once you will go out of the atmosphere, then nearby planets or nearby satellites like moon or something uh, will be, they will be affecting your journey. Even in case of our aeroplane which is under the atmosphere, even there we have effect, but when we go out of the atmosphere, means when we go to the space where we don't have air, there we especially deal with the concept of orbital mechanics involved. For example, if we are sending spacecraft, or we are sending some other kind of space vehicle which is interplanetary, which is going from one planet to other planet, so it has to deal with the effect of gravity of that planet. So this kind of study comes under aerospace. So main thing is when you are trying to deal with the idea that you want to fly out of the atmosphere, it means uh, definitely you have to cross the atmosphere and then you have to jump to the space, and then you have to either you have to orbit our own earth, or you have to go to some other planet or some other kind of other bodies. Okay, so in that case you have to deal with the space part also. So in when you are dealing with the space part, then you should have the idea about how the gravity of other planets are affecting your journey. So that comes under astronautical engineering. Okay, so from here to here you are dealing with aeronautical engineering, and after that you are dealing with uh, extra part of astronomical engineering. So all together means aeronautical plus astronautical you will say as aerospace engineering. Okay, it means you can classify that aerospace engineering has two branches. You can say two subcategories. One is aeronautical and one is astronautical. So when you combine them, you say aerospace engineering. So mostly I can't be sure, but when you are joining your college, by keeping in mind that you want to send spacecraft or something, you want to build a spacecraft or something, then you should keep in mind you want to join aerospace or aeronautical. If you're interested in aeroplanes, helicopters, and whatever is flying within the atmosphere, then aeronautical is for you. If you're interested in a space flight also, then aerospace is for you. And suppose you are not interested in flights, like you are not interested to fly, or you are not interested in the vehicle which is flying under the atmosphere, or you are also not interested in the vehicle which are flying out of the atmosphere in the space. You are only interested in to study about the planets and other things which is in the outer space, planets, galaxies and other blah blah things. Then you have to go for astronomy, okay, or you have to study astrophysics. Don't be confused with astronautical engineering. Then you have to deal with astrophysics or astronomy, okay. So I hope whatever I'm trying to explain, in the thumbnail I have given the idea, like I'm going to explain here the difference between aeronautical, aerospace and astronautical. So these are the basic differences. Definitely there will be many other technical differences, but these are the very basic way to understand the difference between aeronautical, aerospace and astronautical engineering. Thank you so much.